Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of USDJPY, USDCAD, USDCHF, or USD, NZDUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD, then please do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So before I proceed, I would like to mention that, my dear friend, keep in mind this market is very volatile and extremely news sensitive market. As we all know, that war between Russia and Ukraine is going on. So as a result, please keep in touch with the news because market is mainly reacting because of any news. Today we have a dialogue between Russia and Ukraine. So if any good decision comes up, then yes, definitely we will see the effect on Monday. So please keep in touch with the news and most importantly follow proper risk management and use stop loss. Still many of you are not using stop loss. Keep in mind, in this volatile market, trading without stop loss is like suicide. Please don't make the mistake. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, let's talk about USDJPY, dollar Japanese yen. Market closed at 114.67. This is the last traded price of USDJPY. After the market opening, watch the market, observe the market carefully how the market is doing. If you see the market is bouncing from here, market is going up from here. If you want to take a buy position, you can take a buy position, but still considering this candle, I'll think that avoiding the buy position is quite better. Okay, let the market settle. Okay, if you still want to take a buy, it's your risk, you can do that. Otherwise, if you're a new trader, beginner, please avoid taking a buy position if market bounces from here. If you have any good news, then that's a different thing. Otherwise, straight no. But if the market remains the same, if there is no positive news about the war, if the tension continues, then there is a possibility that USDJPY will break the present level, okay, and will further go down. If USDJPY breaks the present level of 114.60, you can take a sell. Okay, you can take a sell and your target will be 114.42. This will be your next target. If you take a sell position, exit around this level. Okay, and those who do not want to take any buy, any sell position, and if you are looking for a better opportunity on the chart of USDJPY, then your duty is to observe the market around this level, 114.42 level. If you see that market is bouncing from here, with proper stop loss, proper risk management, you can take a buy. Okay, with proper stop loss and risk management, you can take a buy. But if the selling pressure is heavy enough, strong enough, if market breaks it, you can take a sell position below 114.40 level as well. Okay, and the target will be 114.14. So these levels are the important levels for the USDJPY chart. The next important chart for us is USDCHF today's chart. USDCHF chart, we have got three important levels. First of all, I would like to talk about 9238 this level at the top. In case on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, market goes up and reverses from here, if you see proper strong reversal sign, definitely you can take a sell position. But on Monday, observe the market around this level, 0.9150 level. If you see that market is trying to take support, you can take a buy. If you see market bouncing from here, but yes, confirmation is very important. Confirmation will be in the form of hammer. A confirmation can be in the form of a bullish pin bar. It can be in the form of a bullish engulfing patterns as well. Once you get the confirmation that market is trying to take support around this level, you can take a buy. But if you see that selling pressure is still there in the market is struggling near support, don't take any buy position. If market breaks it, if market breaks the level, instead of buying, you can take a sell, because after all, never forget, no level in the market is permanent. So if market bounces, go for a buy. If market breaks it, go for a sell. And ultimate level for USD CHF is 0.9100. This is the ultimate support for USDCHF. If market comes down and bounces from here, we can take a buy. Okay, 0.9100 वहां से हम लोग बाय ले सकते हैं. चलिए देखते हैं यूएसडी कैड, यूएस डॉलर, कैनेडियन डॉलर. फॉर यूएसडी कैड चार्ट, I won't say much. Okay, I'll say that in this chart, okay, I'll only give you two levels. Okay, yes, there are multiple levels, but keep in mind you don't need to trade everywhere, every level. Okay, you need to only focus on the important levels, the reliable levels that can make money for you, isn't it? So if market comes to the level of 1.2665, if market comes to this level, observe the market carefully and see how the market is reacting. If market bounces, if you see proper price rejection, price reversal from here, definitely take a buy position. Take a buy around this level. If market breaks it, still do not go for a sell. Okay, in the case of USDCHF, I told you that if market breaks it, go for a sell. But in the case of USDCAD, I won't recommend a sell, because we do not have the confirmation regarding sell. Because if we observe the overall trend of USD CAD here, we can very much see that market is sideways. So this there can be a bear trap as well. So no need to take any risk. There are multiple opportunities in the market. So if market bounces, well and good, take a buy. If market fails, don't need to do anything. Wait for the market to touch the level of 1.2600. This level will be very important for the market. If market comes down to this level, we can expect a good bounce. If market bounces from here, definitely a buy position. Okay, so these are the levels for USD CAD. NZD CAD, New Zealand dollar, sorry, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, NZD USD. As we all know, NZD and US odd pairs, okay, or the Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar was very bullish this week. Almost all the pairs were flying. Okay, so if the same bullishness, okay, listen to me carefully, if the same bullishness on NZD, New Zealand dollar continues, no need to do anything, just leave it. Okay, no need to trade on New Zealand dollar, US dollar, at least for Monday. But if you see that the bullishness is gone, New Zealand dollar is on the weaker side, okay, observe the market around this level, 0.6890, 0.6900. Observe the market around this level. Why this level? Because this is a resistance for New Zealand dollar, US dollar, NZD, USD. But if NZD USD will be bullish and strong on Monday, then obviously it will break it. Then taking a sell position will be very bad decision. Okay, but if New Zealand NZD USD will be on the weaker side, weak है थोड़ा बहुत, ठीक है, तब हम लोग सेल ले सकते हैं. If NZD USD is weak, NZD is weak on Monday, we can take a sell position around the resistance level here. So we'll have to judge whether NZD is weak or strong on Monday. How to judge? Okay, how to judge? How to know whether a currency is weak or strong? For that, you need to go to the currency strength meter. My favorite is baby pips. Okay, I'm not sponsoring baby pips. Okay, personally, I love baby pips. I love the color combination, but there are multiple currency strength meters in the market. If you are using any good currency strength meter, use it. Okay, see. On Monday, just open the currency strength meter and see how the NZD is doing. If you see that NZD is the strongest currency on Monday as well, no need to take a sell position at the resistance, because it will break the resistance. Okay, but if you see NZD on the weaker side, then you can take a sell position. Now let's talk about AUDUSD. Here is our chart. Here's our forecast chart of AUDUSD in front of us. Personally, I do not have anything on the chart of AUDUSD, and I will not recommend any trade for Monday, because my dear friends, keep in mind, you don't need to trade everywhere. Okay, only one good trade or two good trades are sufficient for a day. So for the chart of AUDUSD, I will not recommend anything. In case it comes down to the level of 0.7300, and if it bounces, you can look for a buy. Otherwise, I'll skip AUDUSD for Monday. Okay, so bye bye, take care. And sorry, I forgot to mention, use proper stop loss, risk management, because Protection of capital is very, very important for a trader.